sort of goes with the carbon fiber print that they put on the bike. It's going to go along with that. I'll give you guys a sound check once I get a chance. Okay, I'll start it up for you. Let you see what it sounds like. All right, here we go. Because this particular muffler that I put on there is pretty loud. I'll wrap it up for you guys and let you see what it sounds like. That's it on there now. Let you see it from the back. Alright guys, welcome back to Venom X. This is going to be a short video on giving sound checks on each motorcycle that's in the stable. Okay, I'm going to start off with the Kpm200. Kpm200. And start them up in a sec. Get a close up on the muffler. First thing, cutting it off. This is the muffler that I added to this one. This is not the original. This is an aftermarket muffler, roughly around $40 to $50 on Amazon. I think I'll link them down in the description. The only other one is on the X22. It's another aftermarket muffler, but on the Cyclone, it's stock. It's totally stock. So, but I'm going to let you guys hear what they sound like. Okay, that's what the Kpm200 sounds like. It has a baffle in it. Than the canister one I put on there before. I'll rev it up for you. This is a cold start. That's the KPM. Now we're going to go over to the Cyclone 400 Rusi. As you can see, it has dual pipes. Has somewhat of a different sound. It definitely has a throaty sound as well. Let you hear what it sounds like. that was the Rusi 400cc. As I said, it has dual pipes. Sounds pretty close to the well, the KPM sounds really close to it, even though it's just a single muffler. Now we're gonna go over to the X22. This is an aftermarket muffler that roughly costs around $40 to $50 too, in between $40 and $50. No, actually, I think this one's even a little bit cheaper, in between $35 and $40 on Amazon. I'll let you hear this one. Remember, this motorcycle is carbureted, so it has this little quirks about it. Just me rubbing it up to okay, guys, that was the short on the different mufflers that's on the 3 bikes that's in the stable. Thanks for stopping by.